Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain what a refund pending status means on Cash App and how you can manage it. Understanding this will help you stay informed about your transactions and know what to expect when you request a refund. When you see a refund marked as pending in Cash App, it means the refund request has been initiated but not yet completed. This can happen for various reasons, such as the file merchant processing the refund, bank delays, or Cash App's own verification process. Typically, a refund pending status lasts anywhere from a few hours up to 7 business days. The exact time depends on factors like your bank's processing speed up and whether the refund is from another Cash App user or an external merchant. If you want to check the status of your refund, open Cash App and tap on the Activity tab. Find the transaction with the refund status and tap on it for more details. Cash App usually updates the status automatically once the refund is processed. It's important to know that if your refund has been pending for more than 7 days, you can reach out to Cash App support through the app. Go to your profile, select support, and describe the issue. They can help investigate the delay and provide updates. Also, keep in mind that refunds may not always return to your Cash App balance immediately. Sometimes the funds go back to your linked bank account or card, so check those accounts as well. To avoid refund issues, always double check the recipient details before sending money and communicate with the merchant or recipient if you expect a refund. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.